It is 6:45. I slept so amazing last night. Another day, another sleigh. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, my name is Caroline and you should totally subscribe and join the man fam. Today I'm going to be filming a school day in my life as a freshman in college. I'm really excited to do this because being in college, your schedule is not like a block schedule the way that high school was, at least for me. So every day looks a little different. I've already filmed one school vlog where my first class was at 12, but today I've got a class at 9 a.m. and it is currently 8:28. So I need to roll out of here, get ready to go, but currently doing some last minute work on my computer. By the way, I have a podcast now. Surprise! This was such a last minute thing. Yesterday, I finally put it to action. I went to Best Buy, roamed the aisles and found a microphone, bought it. It's adorable. Where is it? Oh, it's right over there. This beautiful white Yeti mic. Then I came home, downloaded some software to film it on, created an account, figured out how to post it, did the cover art, and yeah, recorded it. So that is up right now. I've got one episode up, and I think by the time that y'all are watching this, there may or may not be another episode, but I will have it in the description. The name of my podcast is called Letters from Caroline. In a nutshell, I love letters. It's a lost art that nobody really does anymore, but I love and respect a good handwritten letter. So the episodes are gonna be like letters from me to you, and I would really love it if y'all gave it a follow, listen to it, and then if you really enjoyed it, it would not hurt for a review. So anyways, I'm going to close this up so that I'm not late for school. I had a coffee this morning and a bagel, and it was so good. I need to fill up my water bottle. I've been drinking tea every single night in these beautiful mugs from, I wanna say they're from Amazon, and it is just the most comforting thing, especially while I'm doing homework. Kind of just like sets the mood, especially while I was recording my podcast. So today I've got 3 classes. We're starting off with math, then I've got data analysis, and then English. So it's gonna be a pretty heavy day. But the good thing is I get off at like 1:15 or 12-ish. I can't remember when I'm officially done with classes today, but it's in the afternoon, which is really nice because then I get the rest of the night to do my thing, get my work done, and then go to my bar class, which I will explain more. I'm like dripping all over myself right now. Okay, I grabbed a Kind bar. These things are so smack. Oh, what is that awful noise? I have zero motivation to do math right now. I wish that y'all could understand how much I love fall, especially being here. This actually feels like fall. Where I'm from in Texas, fall was just maybe one day of good weather, and then it just turned into awful rain, and I don't even know. And I'm so happy to be here. This just feels so magical. Later in the evening, I've got a bar class that I'm gonna do. I've been going to those quite a lot, and I honestly really like them. I've got so much homework to do tonight. I'm stressed out. Mood. Let's see if I can squeeze through this tiny hole. Today was one of those days where I was reminded how grateful I am that I chose to go to school here, because it was a short and sweet day, but it was also beautiful outside. The weather was crisp, nice, fallish, and yeah, so here's me on my way to class. Like I mentioned, my first class of the day was math, so I'm entering the mathematics building, and the first thing that my teacher did when I walked in was tell me congratulations because I received a 100 on my math exam, the first one of the year. So it was definitely rewarding because all my hard work and studying paid off. Definitely go and study because I never got these grades in high school. Now I'm on my way to my UF 100 class, or data analysis. Just got out of math and I'm going to my data analysis class now. So in this class, we are doing an individual project where we research a topic, find a bunch of data on it, and then create a data chart. So here is kind of what I've been working on. Just got out of my data analysis class and I'm waiting outside my English. I'm like 30 minutes early. So liking and responding to y'all's comments. We ended up getting out of English 30 minutes early, which was really nice. So like I said, it was a nice, short and sweet day. But then I was reminded that I parked terribly and had to squeeze between this gap. Currently on a walk right now, and it is beautiful. The leaves are all different shades of colors, and I definitely encourage y'all to go on walks, get vitamin D at least 3 times a week. It's really, really good for you. But also don't forget to put on sunscreen. I put on my Super Goop glow screen this morning, so my skin is ready for the sun.
Hi.
Going to bar class. Out of bar class. That was amazing. Okay, I need to turn on the air. I'm so hot right now. Before I left for class, I went to the mailbox and picked up a few packages, so I want to show y'all what I got really quick. Hold on, there's people walking. Let's not make a big deal out of this. Okay, so first package is from Story, which is Alani Nu's workout brand. If y'all are familiar with Alani Nu, I love their energy drinks. So they sent over some workout pieces. First, they sent this beautiful mint workout top. One of my favorite workout tops is this gray one and black one from them. I wear it all the time. It's really flattering, gives you that like snatched look. And then they also sent these leggings with it. This is what they look like. It's in this beautiful color. So excited to wear this. So if y'all want to get this, these leggings are the Perseverance Tight in Sunfade Pool Blue. And then this mint, really cute color top is the Legend Cropped Shelf Tank in the color mint. And I am a size 4 in both top and bottom. Okay, and then next package is from En Route Jewelry. One of my influencer friends, Kayla, just released her jewelry collection, so congratulations, this is so exciting. But there are 5 different pieces of jewelry. I already opened and looked at a few of them. There's some necklaces, beautiful rings, and this pair of really cute dangly earrings. So definitely go shop her jewelry collection as well. What an amazing accomplishment, and yeah, just show her all the love. I'm gonna run to the grocery store and pick up a couple of groceries before I pick up my parents tonight at the airport. They're literally coming in at 12:35 in the morning. Wish me luck that I'm gonna be able to stay up that late, but I'll probably do some reading, maybe record a podcast episode. So yeah, but I don't want to drink any more coffee. I've already had enough today. Also, I got this really good smelling air freshener from Bath & Body Works. I've never gotten car fresheners from there, and then the other day I just was bored and went to the mall. So I got 3 of these pumpkin air fresheners, and this has been making my car smell divine. I'll see you at the grocery store. All right, I'm gonna give a little grocery haul, but here are those pieces that I was talking about earlier in the car. They are just absolutely stunning. Cannot wait to wear these. Each piece has a different meaning. Kayla has talked about it on her socials before. I already know these are gonna look great with my outfits. All right, so I got 4 things from the grocery store. 18 large eggs. I love eggs so much. Fun fact, I actually used to be allergic to them when I was little. Same with strawberries, but I outgrew those. I've never tried these before, but I'm really excited to. These are the Simple Truth exotic vegetable chips. I used to go to farmers markets when I lived back in Texas, and I would get things similar to this. Those were always really good, so I have high hopes for these. Then my mom texted me and asked if I could pick up some peach tea for whenever she and my dad come in. She and I love tea, but she's more of a peach tea girl, and I am more of a eucalyptus mint kind of girl. Also, I made banana bread today. I didn't show that. I make it every other week. Probably not good for my health. Who cares? It's literally amazing. And then the last thing I got is a huge bag of Skinny Pop popcorn. Tonight I'm going to bake a cake because Drew and his mom are also coming into town, but they're coming in tomorrow, so not later tonight. And she's gluten-free, so I'm gonna be making this gluten-free yellow cake, and I'm gonna do 2 layers and put chocolate frosting in the middle. So I'm really, really excited, actually. I hope it turns out good.
Acres in Alaska out of reach, no new leases, ending fracking, drawing down the Strategic Petroleum Reserve at 1 billion barrels a day with no plans, 1 million barrels a day, no plans to refill this, no plans.
Currently listening to a podcast, and I am in my new little pullover that I got the other day. This is actually from Aerie. I'm obsessed. It is like the softest thing ever. I feel like a teddy bear right now. Okay, so I went to Sephora yesterday and got this Olaplex No. 7 bonding oil, and I posted it on my Instagram story asking how I should use it because I've never used this before or known anybody that's used it, but I've seen it all over TikTok and stuff. So I got that. I'm gonna put that in my hair today, but I want to share my cream that has absolutely saved my skin. For a while, my skin was breaking out horrendously because I got off of birth control. That was a whole process in itself. And for about 3 to 4 months, my skin was terrible. For me, it was terrible just because my skin has always been super clear. I take very, very good care of it. And no matter what I was doing, my skin was just awful. So this is the Caudally Cream. What's the specific name of this? So it's just called the cream, but this cream has absolutely saved my life. I haven't found a like holy grail cleanser just because I've been using up PR package cleansers and those have all been really good, but the moisturizer is what makes the biggest difference for me. I'm at the bottom of this, but I got another one. That's how much I love this product, and it's waiting in my closet for whenever I run out of this. It is a little on the pricey side, but definitely would say to invest in skincare because this is one of the first things that people see whenever they meet you. And I hated not feeling confident in my skin. I did a hair mask in the shower from Day Hair, and it was I think it's the Moisture Monsoon hair mask. Definitely recommend. Amazing. This brush makes me feel like a princess. Also, it's got these really nice bristles on it. And this is also from Day Hair, like my hair mask. Today was a really good day at school. I'm honestly so, I don't even know. I'm really, really grateful to be here, and I've been thanking God every morning for the friends that I've met here, my teachers and classes, just the little things that typically I would overlook. In high school, I didn't really appreciate being at school, things like that, the way that I do now. It's definitely rewarding getting that 100 on my math exam. So my hair is all nice and smooth. A lot of y'all said to put this on the ends of your hair after you get out of the shower and before applying heat. So thank you for anybody who slid up and replied. I'm gonna put this on the ends of my hair. Also, I can just tell a huge difference after dyeing my hair back to dark and cutting off like 3 inches of it. It is so much healthier, and it just makes me feel cleaner, honestly. Not that having lighter hair made me feel dirty, but I don't know, the bleach can definitely make your hair have really bad split ends and just not look as fresh and slick. So that's it for my hair. I just took my contacts out, as y'all saw. Update on those. I've been wearing contacts for 3 months now, and I love it. I don't think I could ever go back to not wearing it because I see so much clearer, and the difference isn't too bad whenever I take them out. I definitely focus more when I'm taking exams, reading things from far away. I don't know how I want my whole life not wearing contacts. Done with that, I'm going to put on my lash serum. This is the Babe Lash Essential Serum. I've been using them for such a long time. And then last little bit to my skincare routine is my Laneage Lip Sleeping Mask. And this is in the flavor Vanilla. I'm almost out, so I'm definitely gonna need to pop by Sephora and get a new one. But this is the best lip mask ever. It smells amazing. It's such a deep mask for your lips. All right, let's go bake a cake. Check out these Thanksgiving pans. These are fire. So like I said, I'm making a gluten-free yellow cake. Oh, we need 1 cake mix, 4 large eggs, 1 cup of vegetable oil. That's pretty easy. If y'all ever get eggs, make sure that you get pasture raised. I like the brown eggs. I think that they are just way better than white eggs. I can always tell a difference. So we're gonna need 4 of these. Mix all the ingredients in a food processor until light and smooth. Okay, that's literally it. What? Sounds good. Y'all, I just finished my chocolate cake. Actually, it's not chocolate. I just finished my yellow cake and I frosted it with milk chocolate icing. And then I added these cute little fall sprinkles. Hello! Look who's back! Oh, brother. I was gonna bring y'all banana bread, but Drew didn't think that y'all would eat it.
Love it.
Love you.
Are you moving it?
Okay.
Yeah.